Yo, what is up everybody? It is your boy Noah Son of the Barber, and today's video I'm giving my guy a low fade. So as you can see, I'm jumping right into the haircut, putting in my bald line, and I'm keeping it kind of low. My next step here is I grab my box shaver and I just bald out that bottom half, making sure not to go all the way to that top line, because if you go to that top line, it'll be hard to get that bottom line out. And to begin my fading process, I grab my clipper and I go up with the lever all the way open, about half an inch, keeping my lines consistent and parallel to that bald line. So here I have the lever halfway and I'm flicking out at that bottom line. This step will not completely get rid of the line, it's just going to soften it up. But after this, I will go behind it with the lever closed all the way and using my corners, playing with the lever as needed to get rid of that line completely. When you have your lever closed all the way, flick out that bottom line, making sure to start below the line and flicking up to the line using only your corners. Here I have the half guard on all the way open and I'm flicking out another half an inch. here I'm closing that lever and I'm hitting that line, that bottom line that I just created with the half guard open. So that half guard closed, didn't get rid of that line like I wanted it to. So I went back with the lever all the way open with no guard on, and I'm flicking out with my corners, just playing with the lever, doing whatever I have to do to get rid of that line. So now I've put that number 1 guard on with the lever all the way open, and the same thing, I'm going up about another ½ an inch, keeping it consistent around the whole head. Here I have the lever closed and I'm attacking that line that I just created. Here I put that half guard on and I'm just playing with the lever, have it closed, open, just doing whatever I have to do to get rid of any dark spots I still see. Here I'm just continuing with my same steps. I have the 1½ guard on open and I'm flicking out about another ½ an inch. I will later close the lever and attack that bottom line that I just created. Here I'm just doing some detail work. I have the 1 guard open, but I'm playing with the lever as needed. goes, and I'm trying to flick out that top bulk. Here I'm just doing some more detail work. I have the 2 guard on, and I'm just playing with the lever, getting whatever dark spots I see that the 3 left off. So now guys, as you can see, the fade is pretty much complete, but now is the important step, and that's just the details. You always want to take extra time to do detail work, so as you can see here, I'm with the 1 guard, and I'm just going to be playing with the lever, just trying to perfect that blend as much as possible. So right here, I'm just lining them up, and then I'm gonna start the process to blending in his beard. So yeah guys, I'm pretty much done with the cut. As you guys can see, it came out pretty clean. Now I'm just lining up the beard, just doing some other detail work here, but it's pretty much complete here. Just like that, the cut is complete. I hope you guys liked today's video. I thought the low fade came out really crispy. Leave a like for more, comment, subscribe, all that, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.